Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to do a small tutorial for Complete Anatomy 2022 3D Human Body Atlas. So guys, this app I am using it on Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, but it is also available for the other tablets as well. So the version that I'm using is a free version, but there is also paid version available. So this is the interface when you open it. So once you select this model tab over here, okay, so it will give you three different options. So there is a female, then there is a male, and then there is a detailed features. So for example, I select this male option, then you can see over here there is a full body, head and neck, thorax and abdomen. So there are other options available. So for example, I select this full body. So once you select this full body, it will show you the full body feature that you can also rotate with your finger, or you can use your S pen. So you can see over here, you can completely rotate it, you can make it small as well. Okay, so for example like this one, so you can see you can completely rotate it, you can use your fingers as well. So guys, on the bottom you will see there are different layers option available. For example, the first one is the connective tissue layer. So once you select it and you press this plus sign, you will see the connective tissue start appearing. When you again press layer 2, then layer 3, okay, so you can see over here. Then we have muscular option, okay, muscular layer option. So once you select plus, you will see the muscular, okay, you can see over here start putting the muscular options as well. Okay, and then you have arterial option. So once you select the plus, it will start making the arterial, and then there is a live heart as well, which I will show you. So for example, if I remove all these layers, okay, I just want to see the heart. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, and then I also remove this one. So you can see over here, this is the heart. Okay, so you can see over here. And then if you want, you can also use your S pen, and then you can get the information related to a specific part. So all the information will be available over here on the left side. Once whatever part you select with your pen, for example I select this part, okay, then it will give me the information related to that part. So for example, this is the morphology structure, the aorta, okay, and then for example I rotate it and then I move this part, I select this part, then it will give me the right auricle. Okay, the information related to the right auricle as well. So guys, if you want to go more about the details, if you want more detailed section, so you have the cross section option over here. So once you select this cross section over here, it gives you different option, and it will slice the body horizontally, so you can explore a different part. So for example, I select this cross section 1. So once I select this cross section 1, so you can see over here it will give me more detailed view. Okay, and then I can also make it bigger. Okay, so then I move, for example, cross section 3. Okay, so right auricle of heart. So for example, so now it will give me a detail on that one as well. So guys, if you want to draw something, you can use your S pen, and there are tools also available. Simply you have to go here on the right side, there is a tool option, you can see over here, just select it, and then you can see the very first option is related to the pen. So for example, I select this pen option. Okay, once you select the pen option, you can draw anything. Okay, you can draw here and then you can label it. Okay, so you can see over here, then we have the labels option as well, you can put the labels. Okay, and then we have the text box. If you want to write something, you can write over here as well. Okay, so you can write here. Okay guys, so you can do a lot. Okay, and then we have the sketch option. If you want to sketch something, okay, and then you can sketch over here, and then you can delete it if you don't want it. Okay, and then we have the cut option, the fracture, the growth. Okay, so you can put the growth over here. Okay, so you can see over here there are different drawings you can do. Then the spurs. Okay, so you can see over here you can put spurs. Okay, then the pane option over here. Okay, so you can see, and then there is other option as well, you can also import pictures as well. So the other tools are also available. The main thing that I want to show you is the library. So once you select the library, you will have a lot of content available. Okay, so you can see over here we have different videos in the atlas. Then you can watch related to any of the topic that you are searching. Okay, the videos are over here, the atlas is there. Okay, then we have the separate section for the radiology. Okay, so once you select the radiology, you have the different you can see over here different videos available over here as well. So you can see over here there are a lot of videos also available in the library. So library has a lot of content available. So guys, on the right side we have save screen option as well. So you can save whatever work you do over here, whatever tools you use. For example, you label something with your pen, then you can also do the save screen option. So then guys, all the layers options are available over here. You can utilize all. You can rotate it completely, as you can see over here. You can put the connective tissue, you can put the muscular. Okay, so there are different layers. If you use this plus sign, it will start adding more and more. And then we have venous, okay, and lymphatic as well. Then we have nervous, okay, and then we have respiratory, we have digestive, okay, and then we have the endocrine as well. We have urogenital and other options as well available. So whatever information you need, what you have to do is just select that portion, okay, and it will give you the information related to that specific part. Okay, and then we have other options as well. So for example, if you select this models option, okay, so as I told you, we have female, male, and then we have details. Once you select the detail, we have 28 different detailed models of different human body parts. Okay, so you can see over here, for example, we have the eye, okay, we have the lymphatic node. Okay, so different options. Okay, so for example, this is the eye, okay, detailed structure of the eye. And if you want to search something, you just select it, and then it will give you the information related to that specific part on the left hand side. So you can see it. So guys, if you want to take a screenshot, or if you want to take any information, you can also do it. For example, if you want to put this structure into your notes, you can also do it. It is very easy. Just use your S Pen, just press the button, okay, and then you see the small pen option available. So just select it and then use this smart select option. So once you select it, you can select any portion. For example, I want to select this portion from the atlas, so I just select it like that, and then I can share it into my Samsung notes using this icon. Okay, and then I will show you, you can open it in your Samsung notes. Okay, so I open into a new Samsung note. So you can see over here, now it is available into my Samsung notes, and here I can do any labeling. Okay, if I want to label it, I can write about it, I can make my notes on it. Okay, so this is really helpful, guys. For today's video, this is it about the atlas. I will make more videos on it, more detailed videos about it. So I just want to share it that you can use in your tablets. It is really helpful for the anatomy students. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoyed the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.